You've been curling for months, maybe years, and your biceps still look exactly the same. Here's why. First, you're not eating enough. Muscle doesn't grow in the gym, it grows in the kitchen. No calorie surplus, no protein, no growth. Simple as that. Hit at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, every single day. Progressive overload, 0:30 to 0:50. Second, you're doing the same weight every session. Your biceps adapted months ago. They have zero reason to change. Add weight, add reps. Make it harder every week. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Third, your form is a lie. Swinging your back, shrugging your shoulders, using momentum. That's not a bicep curl. That's just moving weight. Slow it down. Pin your elbows. Feel muscle. 2 seconds up. 3 seconds down. Fourth, you're not recovering. Biceps are small. They repair fast, but only if you're sleeping 7 to 9 hours and not hammering them every day. Rest isn't weakness. Rest is when the growth actually happens. Fix your food. Push heavier over time. Control every rep. And sleep like it's part of your training, because it is. The biceps aren't broken. The approach is. Start there, and they will grow.